Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, mikaytv vlogs, and today samahan niyo ako sa aking mga lulutuin for today. So simple lang, and ito lang yung available for today. And samahan niyo ako. And here guys, I already prepared my ingredients. So ito lang muna ang kailangan ko. Meron tayong chili, nor cube, cabbage, onion, bell peppers, carrots, chicken, and so I prepared in advance yung ating shrimp kasi it takes time too long to clean this one. So I put already salt, black pepper here sa ating carrots. So I'm going to make this one guys, canton. Okay, iba naman may for today maybe Chinese style ang ating food. I forgot, meron din pala akong spring roll wrappers. Saan itong magkagamitin? Secret! Hindi, later. Ito sa chili guys, konti lang ginawa ko kasi ang kakain lang naman ito yung amo kong lalaki. And here guys, I cut the chicken in small pieces. So, long cut. Yung chicken, lagyan natin ng cumin. Black pepper. Salt. Lagyan natin ang paprika. And for the salad guys, maybe I'm going to make potato salad. So bite size lang siya. Let's eat. Boil natin to, okay? The potato salad guys, I already boiled it. Tapos, I just put mixed vegetables. So, with carrots, green beans ba to? Pasulia, and corn. And for the sauce guys sa ating salad, so dito is yogurt, mayonnaise, lemon, salt, black pepper, and a little bit of vinegar. So, i-mix na natin para malamig siya. Kasi lagay natin sa ref. Balik natin sa ref. So first guys, I'm going to fry our chicken. Lagyan natin nor cube, chicken, nor cube. Mix spices. black pepper, cumin, mga typical na spices dito sa Middle East. Lagi meron yan. 7 spices o mixed spices, cumin. Lagi yan. Water. So, dagyan natin ng water. Depende sa noodle na ilalagay natin. Tansyahan. So, as of now, mga 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. So, depende sa taste, okay? It depends upon your taste. Then, we will add a little bit later if it's still need more soy sauce. So, tikman natin. Let's taste it. It's okay already. It's okay now. Okay, as of now guys, let's set it aside. So we will put this one later kasi this is very easy to cook. So the noodle will become soft. We will put it right now. Okay, it's better to put it later. And now I'm going to make our spring roll. If before guys we used breadcrumbs to fry our shrimps, but today we will going to use spring roll. Guys, I tried this one. Let's try another. Kasi masyadong malaki yung ating wrapper. Sayang naman, di ba? Tapos baka masyadong makapal. So, i-try natin ng ganito. May space lang siya sa gitna. Kasi later, bago natin i-fry, ikakat natin sa middle. Kaya naman guys, yung wrapper, I cut it in the middle. So, diba? Dahil natin ginagawang problema. Tapos, lagyan natin dito para magsara. Wala tayong paraan. I-atras natin para fried na natin.